continue, guys, on the floor step by step. First, you go like, second step. You go more. Like, what's up? It's like first step, then you go like, one.
Kada baik beriak 5 bulan.
Then you face the side.
Dan ada 5 bulan.
Take one pin. Then you go
Ada
one.
5 bulan.
You go pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you do another fast step 4.
Memang wangi oke.
You go back. Slow down, bro. Then you slide. It's like you slide, then you move to this side. You slide, then you move to this side. Then you want to raise the letter, then want to. No? Or you go raise the letter. And then you go like after. Then you kick. No? And then you go like to spring. Then you go. What the? No,